Hello guys! I'm back for another interesting video. And today, pag-uusapan natin kung paano gumawa ng SeaBank account at kung ano ang mga features na ino-offer nito. On our previous vlog, isa si SeaBank sa top digital banks at hanggang ngayon, isa pa rin siya sa top performing digital banks kahit bumaba ang kanyang interest rate from 4% to 3.5% interest rate per annum. At kung gusto nyong malaman kung bakit, stay tuned kasi i-discuss ko ang reason behind it. Let's proceed with a step-by-step guide on how to create SeaBank account. First, for the requirements, number 1, you should be 18 years old and above. Number 2, you should be a Filipino citizen or a foreigner with supporting documents. Number 3, for US citizen, you should present your Social Security number or ITIN. And number 4, for other foreigners, you should use your ACR iCard which you use to verify your Shopee Pay account. Since you already know the requirements, pwede na tayong mag-proceed sa pag-download ng SeaBank application. Pwede kayong gumamit ng Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once na-download nyo na, you can open the application and you do have two options to sign up. Yung first one is you can continue with Shopee and yung pangalawa is you can sign up using a mobile number. Let's proceed with sign up using a mobile number. Type in a valid mobile number and you will see a portion wherein you need to type in a referral code. Please use our referral code na ipa-flash namin dito sa screen para makareceive kayo ng 50 pesos referral bonus. Kailangan nyo lang mag-deposit ng 1,000 pesos and hold it for at least 3 days. After you type in a valid mobile number and referral code, you need to check the box for the terms and conditions and click next. And that's the time that you're going to receive the one-time PIN. After the one-time PIN, we're going to proceed with facial verification. Kailangan dito guys ay visible yung mukha natin at hindi siya natatakpan ng buhok, ng mask, or any accessories. And kailangan meron din tayong magandang lighting. And once ready na kayo, pwede nyo nang i-click yung Start Facial Verification. And kailangan nyo lang i-position ng ayos yung mukha ninyo sa frame para makapture at makomplete natin yung facial verification. Once matapos at tama yung ginawa ninyo, ay makaka-receive kayo ng pop-up at magsasabi ito ng verification completed. Next ay kailangan nating mag-upload ng ID. Ang examples ng mga ID na tinatanggap ni SeaBank ay UMID ID, passport, driver's license, national ID, and many more. And reminders pala sa mga i-upload natin na ID, kailangan ay physical ID card, walang blur or any glare, at kailangan ay clear and visible yung i-upload natin na ID. And kailangan din nating i-make sure na walang part ng ID yung nako-cover. Click Start Scanning and upload the document, then click Next. After you click Start Scanning, you need to make sure na naiposition ninyo ng ayos ang ID within the frame. And you will see identity information, so basahin nyo yun lahat and make sure na tama lahat ng information na nagre-reflect sa screen, then click Next. And you will be routed to additional information. And you need to fill out all the information needed like city of birth, occupation, source of fund, company, company industry, and click next. After nyong ma-fill out yung additional information, kailangan nyong basahin yung terms of service and check the box to agree with the statement, then click next. Next is we need to set up security details. Kailangan nating gumawa ng 6-digit security PIN and we need to retype that PIN to make sure na tama yung security PIN na inilagay natin kanina. And we need to wait for at least 2 banking days for you to receive a notification regarding your application. Pero there are times wherein na-verify din agad yung account within the day. And that's it! Ganyan lang kadaling gumawa ng SeaBank account. Once everything is verified, you can start to enjoy 3.5 interest rate per annum for deposits up to 1 million pesos and 3% interest rate per annum for any deposit more than 1 million pesos. Aside from that, you will receive 5 pesos cashback whenever you use your SeaBank account on paying cable, electricity, internet, water bill, insurance, and many more. And you can enjoy up to 5% off on prepaid load purchases. And meron silang 1% rebate sa bago nilang SeaBank debit card, and you can earn up to 1,000 pesos cashback monthly on all purchases. SeaBank also offers health insurance, accident insurance, life insurance, and many more. If you do have further questions about the insurances that they offer, ipa-flash namin yung customer service hotline nila sa screen for further information. And as far as I know, kapag ginamit ninyo ang SeaBank account ninyo as mode of payment sa Shopee, makakatanggap kayo ng discounts and rebates. At sa mga nagtatanong kung secure nga ba yung pera nila sa SeaBank, don't worry guys, the answer is yes, dahil sila ay PDIC insured and BSP regulated. At sana nakatulong ang video na ito para sa mga gustong gumawa ng sarili nilang SeaBank account. At para sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa aming channel, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga videos. That's it for today. Bye!